Okay YouTube, this is a little review on the 1/14th scale trailer off eBay. Similar to the, I think it's the four-wheel drive models that you can get. They're very expensive. This I got for £90 off eBay, shipped from China. Halfway through the build, well, over halfway really. All I've got to do is the wheels, the suspension, the axle, leaf springs and whatever. Finish off fitting the lights. Other than that, it's a pretty simple build. The instructions are they're okay. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just, you just follow the pictures and the screws. The screws are all the same length. And that's it really. There's nothing really, it's not rocket science, nothing to it really. Pretty simple, it's just a trailer. I have been using thread lock to put it together because, well, it's metal on metal, so it will rattle apart if you don't use thread lock. The tyres are actually proper metal beadlock tyres. Pretty squishy. Yep, they're okay. I'll give you a full review once it's properly been built, but other than that, you can't go wrong. It's very, very easy. Not bad value for money. You can have the lights flashing, or you can have them on all the time. That's one there. The only thing I would say is it's quite difficult to get your thumb underneath here for the screws, because these are the screws. That one goes into the frame, and then you've got the tiny little lock nut that goes behind it. But other than that, it's absolutely fine. Very strong, and it fits the TRX4 on it with plenty of room. Hopefully getting a Volvo excavator to be towed by the TRX4. We shall see if they get it in stock, because it's the double E hobby ones from China. They smash the hell out of the Huini, whatever. Far better than them. Okay, I'll give you an update when that arrives. Thank you, bye.